Hey, this is Johnny from Dalton Hyundai. I'm going to show you guys display settings on the 2026 Kona Limited. Here's how to access your display settings. So you're going to swipe left, you're going to go to setup. From there, you're going to go to display. And right here, you have your brightness. So you can actually move up and down to see how bright you want your screen to be. Also, you have camera settings here. You have your display contents, which is going to show you your parking distance warning, which you can turn it on and off. You have your top view parking guideline right there, and then you have your rear view parking guidelines. Also, as well here, you can see that you can adjust your brightness from there. If you go back down here, you go to blue light filter, you can actually set up your blue light filter. You can see how high you want the temperature or how cool you want it. As well, you can have it as automatic, or you can click user set time, which you can make your own time where you want that blue light filter to be on. And this is how you can set up the time manually. You click settings, and then you have your time here, which you can start and end time from there. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, drop it below in the comments.